Hi, and welcome to the So Many Things YouTube channel. I'm Tim, your host. Here you get to sew with the boys, quilt with the boys, embroider with the boys, and of course, mostly have some fun, and you might learn something along the way. Stay tuned! Hi, and welcome to Quilting with the Boys. Behind me is a sample quilt. It's got common blocks in it, and there's common names for these blocks which you'll find all over the web, but you might find some people referring to them under specialty names. Let's do a quick review on the blocks so you'll know what you're talking about, and you might be able to relate it what somebody else is calling it. As I point to the blocks, I'm going to give you what's commonly their generic name. Now, everybody has their own twist on some of these blocks, and they may have a fancy name for it, but I'm just going to call them as I see them, so to speak. So we're going to start with the one up here. Orange squares and purple squares. This is a 9 patch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 squares make up our 9 patch. You'll learn how to do this in one of my other videos. It's really easy. This is a variation of a 9 patch. Once again, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 patches, except these patches, they take a little extra work. Not that big of a deal. Here, we have a flying geese. But I'm going to show you down here because this one's got more contrast. Flying geese has a body of the geese and wings. 2 of these are what's used to make this particular square. Over here, we have a star, sometimes called a friendship star. This has got triangles to create the star points for us. Once again, it might look a little intimidating. It's really easy. Then we have a log cabin. This one happens to be a little bit of a variation on a log cabin, but a log cabin is still a log cabin. You're going to find a lot of current and variations on the log cabin these days. They're lots of fun. They are actually better to work with when you have a template to help you do your sewing and your cutting to make sure they come out square. Here we have square dance. It's a square inside a square. Not very difficult, lots of fun. You can actually play with the contrast on your fabrics for this one and create some really good interest between the fabrics. We also have a rail fence. This block here is a rail fence. This block here is a rail fence. In our video, we're going to show you a rail fence with 5 strips, but these have 3 strips. The fun with the rail fence is how you place them. You see the rail fence is moving horizontally here and vertically here. You can create some very interesting patterns in your quilt just from that one block. Hope you find this helpful. Thanks for watching.